Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be explaining to you guys how you can expand your storage for Google Photos, so let's get right into it. Now, Google Photos is a Google service, also a cloud storage service, where you can store your photos online. Pretty similar or pretty much the same as with Google Drive, except Google Drive accepts various files, whereas this only accepts photos, obviously. Now, the main thing about it is, as you can see, I have a couple of photos in my Google Photos storage, and as you can see, the total space that it's taken up is 6.1 gigabytes. Of course, all of these photos are absolutely not 6.1 gigabytes. They are all JPEGs, they are compressed, and they are not that space demanding. The reason for that is because all Google storage, be it Google Drive, Google Photos, whichever, is connected to your account, and your account is what buys up space in the Google servers. So it's not exclusive to any storage, it is universal for all Google services. Now, as you can see, I have 15 gigabytes max since I am a free user. However, if I click on it, I have the option to either convert existing photos and videos to storage saver, to save space, and so on and so forth. That is pretty much how to turn down the space specifications, I guess you could say, of the photos. However, you can also buy more space. If you go into unlock storage discount, you can here see any monthly payments or monthly subscriptions which you can buy to gain more space, the lowest being 100 gigabytes and the highest being 2 terabytes. You can also do an annual one where you can save 16% for the subscription, and that is pretty much it. You just buy one of these, subscribe to Google, and you will have more storage, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in another video.